Right, so you reckon we're all good to go?
Ah!
All right, let's try it.
Just have to go the right speed.
Everybody ready?
Yes, I guess.
Hopefully that'll wash the carry. No, we've got more mud to go in. You don't want to go too fast. You don't want the water going all up the engine. You don't want to stop. Come on in, please.
Not too loud. Come on, I've got the recording.
Spongy bit.
Yep.
Now we'll do like this, eh? Not that they probably need to.
Well, why do you just stay in the middle then? Well, because somebody came up here.
I seen someone drove up here, so I thought, oh, that's good to drive. I don't know. I walked up it so I can see it's good.
Yeah. Watch out for the tree. Gotcha.
Get the tree.
Another tree.
This was not really been tested that much.
No,
but
this is the
hopefully
tricky bit, getting back in the water.
as far as I'm walked.
Look at that.
A little bit of a non-event, wasn't it?
Oh well, I'm still glad that you walked it though, to be sure. So good job.
Don't get me dirty.